Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set Bluetooth PBAP version to 1.2 or version 1.1 on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to swipe up to go down. And at the bottom, tap on developer options. Next, swipe up to go down in here and tap on Bluetooth PBAP. At the top here, select or tap on Bluetooth PBAP version, and from the pop-up, select version 1.2 or version 1.1. Select one of the options, and that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your settings page, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.